Sumbang Kastilyo, buhangin ala, pag-ibig na pansamantala. Kaya bago natin bigkasin ang pagsindang sumpa sa ganyong mutya, sa diwa't gawa, makaisipin natin kung pag-ibig ay wagas. Kahit pa masangan ng landas, minsan dalawang pag-ibig nagsumpaan, pag-ibig na walang hanggan. Sumbang Kastilyo, buhangin pala, pansamantala, luhaan dala, yan ang pag-ibig na nangyari sa atin. Buong Kastilyo,
okay may second voice ako naririnig
Hindi ka pa tapos? Uy, kayo naman.
Ano, may sagot na?
839.
Itong gandang boses nito, kumanta ka pa nga, hoy.
6 with matching giling.
Oh,
8.
para kay Upeng. Para kay Upeng. Para kay Upeng.
Bridges medley pa meron pala eh.
Ayan.
Maring open.
Oh.
Ano ba to? Yan. Salit ka na lang, that you're lonely. I want my life to be, to live with you, live with you. There's a way, everybody say,
Gumano ka, oh.
to do it in everything.
May background eh. Sa likod eh.
If I ain't got you, ain't got you, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Love somebody the way I love you. I'm going back to Massachusetts.
Bigis na bigis ang dating. Bigas na bigas.
Something's telling me I must go home. And the lights all went down in Massachusetts the day I left her standing on the road. I started to cry. We started the whole world laughing.
Makalaglag pa antipare yung
But
boses.
I didn't see that the joke was from me. I look at the sky, running my hands over my eyes, and I fell out of bed, hurting my head from things that I said. might have gone, 'cause that would bring a tears to me. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. Right now, there'll be no other time, and I can show you how, my love. Talk an everlasting word and dedicate them all to me, and I will give you all my life. I'm here if you should call to me. You think that I don't even mean a single word I say? It's only words,
Wow!
and words are all I
Sa parang galing pa ng boss
to
nito.
take your heart away.
Ha?
Baringit.
Oo, barigit.
It's only words,
Nakakainlab ang boses.
are all I have to take your heart away.
Bet, hindi ba nakakainlab ang boses nito, di ba?
Oo.
Oh, ano, teka.
92. 92.
Teka, sandali. Okay, what the judges says? Ano masasabi mo, Judge?
9.5.
Ano pa? Anong comment?
Magaling. Parang boses talaga nanggagaling sa ilalim ng lupa.
Okay.
Patay.
Next.
Masyadong malamig.
Next, ano masasabi mo? Ang background. Judge, next. Ano masasabi mo?
Wala na ako masabi.
Walang masabi. Eto, third judge, ano masasabi mo?
Magaling na magaling. 110.
Basta galing kay Lisa na to.
Ah!